this video we're going to show you how to break down a requirement into a user story and feature in SAP Cloud ALM. Before you get started, make sure you have the project admin, project lead, or project member role. First, open the Requirements app. As a prerequisite, you already have a requirement and assigned a user story to it. To get started, set the requirement status to in realization. Next, you can create a new feature for your requirement. The feature is used to deliver the changes of your user stories. After you've created your feature, it's automatically assigned to the requirement. Now you can assign your user story to your feature. You can also assign several user stories if you want to deliver them with one feature. After the user story is assigned, the respective processor knows which transports belong to the user story. Next, set the status of your feature to an implementation. Then, developers can create transports to add corresponding changes. Now, your user story can be set to in progress. When the developers have released the transport task, the user story can be set to done. Then, the change management workflow continues in the Features app and is concluded by confirming the deployment of your feature.